Okay, here is the picture for lung infections. You've got to look at all the different kinds of ways to get a lung infection. Tuberculosis is the T-ball. That's kind of what's been used in everything that I've been doing. The primary site of infection, you get GON complexes, so the T-ball is gone, it's gone, G-H-O-N complexes, usually in the lower lobes. Now, you get blood-borne spread when activated, and secondary reactivation is at the apex. It results in tubercle formation, cavitary lesions, caseous necrosis, and located at the top or the apex of the lungs. And you got a case there. So you got caseous necrosis at the apex is a secondary infection. Now, mycoplasma is mycop and plasma. This is a cop and plasma, mycoplasma, but I also put plaid on here, so plaid plasma. And he's holding some glue, cold glue. It's a cold agglutinin. This is the cause of typical walking pneumonia, kind of like a cop walking his beat. Presents as dry cough with no alveolar exudates, hyaline in alveolar walls, and cold agglutinin in the serum. So those are the mycoplasma. You've got also the abscesses. Klebsiella is one of the most common causes of a abscess. Let's put abscess here. Or of an aspiration, because that's what it is, aspiration pneumonia. But it can be caused by many different things. It's more common in the right lung, because the air fluid level in the right lung, you can see that it's over on the right side. Gangrene can occur with continued infection. Now you've got pneumonias. There's different types of pneumonias, and actually I should probably kind of put the pneumonias over here. There's a bronchopneumonia. It infiltrates the bronchioles and adjacent alveoli. Now so you got a broncho with patches. It's patchy distribution. It's caused by H flu. That's why the H is flying. Staph aureus, which is the staph of cocci in a row, and staph pyrogens or pyogens. Okay. You've got this is what's called typical. Okay, atypical pneumonia would be the mycoplasma. Okay, now the number one typical is lobar pneumonia. Okay, and so you got a lobe of an ear. It's usually caused by strep, strep pneumonia, and the treatment's penicillin. Interstitial pneumonia is an inflammation of the interstitial areas. You've got diffuse distribution, so diffuse, and it's caused by respiratory syncytial virus or RSV, adenovirus, and mycoplasma. And those are those different pneumonias. Now you also can get nosocomial. Nosocomial is caused in the hospital. You get the two, and that's why there's a nose here. Two major causes of that is E. coli or Pseudomonas. This is Pseudomonas aeruginosa. So, E. coli or Pseudomonas cause the nosocomial. These are all different types of lung infections, and kind of pay attention to the presentation and what they tell you about where it came from.